Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Every Wednesday morning I teach a couple of groups of Ukrainian teachers of English. And this morning I found out that two of my students grew up in the city of Donetsk in Donbas, an area which has been occupied by the Russians since 2014, which, not uncoincidentally, was the year they both left their city. And I asked them both how they felt when they heard Russians using the idea of defending our people, meaning Russian-speaking Ukrainians like themselves in Donbas, as an excuse for the full-scale invasion, or how they felt when they saw people asking online, as so many Russians do, "Where were you the last 9 years?" As though somehow people outside of Ukraine or Donbas or Russia have been turning a blind eye to some terrible things that Russians are told have been happening in Donbas since then. When I mentioned this to them, they both just kind of rolled their eyes and looked profoundly unimpressed. And one replied by saying, "Ugh, that old chestnut." If you respond to something somebody said by saying, "Oh, that old chestnut," you basically mean that the story or the joke or the line or the subject that you've just heard has become very, very boring and very annoying for you because of its constant repetition. So, for example, here in the UK, I've often heard people say things like, "Well, one thing I'll say about Boris Johnson, one thing in his defence is, at least he got Brexit done." Oh, please, I find myself saying, whilst punching myself in the face. Not that old chestnut again. Or maybe you have friends who like to look back and reminisce and say things like, "Do you know what? I often think that my school days were the happiest days of my life." Oh God, not that old chestnut again. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "Oh God, not that old chestnut again."